This is Alice. Today's story, The Jungle Book. Lost and Found. Our story begins in the lush Indian jungle. A tiny baby boy, Mowgli, is lost and alone. A fearsome tiger named Shere Khan stalks the jungle, vowing to kill the man cub. Fate intervenes when brave Mother Wolf discovers Mowgli. Defying Shere Khan, she adopts him as her own. Akela, the wise leader of the wolf pack, reluctantly agrees, seeing the spark of humanity in Mowgli's eyes. The jungle ways. Mowgli thrives under the watchful eyes of the wolf pack. Bagheera, a black panther concerned about Mowgli's future, teaches him the law of the jungle, the code of conduct that keeps all the creatures in balance. But Mowgli also finds a carefree friend in Baloo, a lovable bear who teaches him the joys of the bare necessities and the simple life in the jungle. Shere Khan returns. What danger lurks in the shadows? Shere Khan, remembering his vow, returns to the jungle. The tiger threatens the pack, demanding Mowgli's exile. Akela argues against Shere Khan, but the majority of the wolves agree with him. Mowgli feels devastated by the pack's betrayal. In response, he displays his pot of coals and condemns them for their actions. Mowgli claims that he no longer considers himself a member of the pack due to the way they have treated him. Monkey Mayhem Mowgli, torn between two worlds, Bagheera advises Mowgli that it would be best to leave the jungle and live with the humans instead. His journey leads Mowgli to a group of mischievous monkeys called the Banda Log. The monkeys, fascinated by the man cub, kidnap Mowgli, leading him on a chaotic adventure through their ruined city. The rescue Bagheera and Baloo find out that Mowgli is kidnapped by the Banda Log. They ask for help from the python, Kaa, as he often eats band for log and knows where to find them. Bagheera and Kaa arrive at the cold layers before Baloo because they are faster. However, Baloo shows up shortly after, prepared to fight to the death to save Mowgli. After the fight, they eventually save Mowgli from the Panda Log. Village life. After Mowgli's fallout with the wolves, he goes to live in a nearby human village. Just outside the village, a few people see Mowgli and take an interest in him. He is later adopted by a woman in the village. While Mowgli is outside, Grey Brother, a member of the wolf pack still loyal to Mowgli, approaches him. Grey Brother warns Mowgli that Shere Khan will likely return to cause more problems in the jungle. The new beginning. Mowgli devises a plan. He leads the buffaloes in a stampede, ultimately defeating Shere Khan. With the danger gone, Mowgli chooses to return to the jungle. Because of the defeat of Shere Khan, now the wolves want Mowgli and Akela to rebuild the strong community they once had. For now, Mowgli is back in the jungle, but will one day live with the humans to marry a woman. Please subscribe for more videos. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.